When many Pokemon sets are being released each year, there are bound to be ones that miss the mark. Today I'll show you the modern sets I feel miss the mark the most. And first we have Scarlet and Violet base set. This set was just massively overprinted and just was bound for failure. It had no popular cards, yet people were going to buy it up because it was the new stuff. It happens to every base set or for a while. And this set just, as you expect, flopped. Now, again, I don't know what these Scarlet and Violet 151 cards are doing, but see the top three cards. $25, $20, and $15. That's unheard of. Literally, that's nothing. And you still have booster boxes going for even $80 to $100. How can you're not going to pull all these cards. How could you possibly profit off this set? I guess maybe you get the Merriam and a PSA 10. I don't know, you're going to have to wait a long time. Okay, next on the terrible list, we have Vivid Voltage. Woohoo! Oh, God. This set just has the Tonkachu and that's it. It has a Rainbow Pikachu, which is actually good. A good card. Actually, maybe I should have put the Scarlet and Violet base set before this, now that I'm thinking about it. But I guess, why not just explain why it's bad? Yeah, and for $132, the most valuable card you can get is 102, I think. That's how much the Tonkachu or Pikachu VMAX Rainbow is. And then the next best card is $13. Oh, God. This set just, it's being carried by the people wanting to pick or get the Rainbow Pikachu VMAX. I just think at that point, just buy it as a single. No way you need to spend $132 to get a card worth $102. And considering the pull rates, which were terrible in the set, you're probably going to get nothing. Or not get that card at all. I guess there's some way to profit on getting the card in a PSA, the Tonkachu in a PSA 10. And yeah, that's the only way. If you thought this couldn't get any worse, it will fast. This set just literally disgusts me. This is Rebel Clash. Yeah. You know what's worse than paying a ton of money to buy a booster box and knowing that you're gonna get nothing, like in Scarlet and Violet base set? Or yeah. This set does that job even better. You pay around $220 for a booster box. Yeah. Now you think, what could you possibly get for that much money? Basically nothing. These are the best cards. $8, $8, 13, 14. Okay, now we're getting really big. 19. Wow. Oh, God. I don't want to look at this anymore. Yeah. So in short, you're paying $220 for guaranteed garbage. And the most valuable card is going to be worth maybe $20. Yeah, there's no wonder why. Okay, now we have the Scarlet or Sword and Shield base set. This set is just an even worse version of Rebel Clash. Mainly because you're paying now, instead of $220, you're paying $280. Now, to put this in context, Rebel Clash and Sword and Shield base set booster boxes go for more than Lost Origin or Brilliant Stars booster boxes. Anyway, now you think, what can you possibly get? Well, exactly this. I guess you can get the Snorlax VMAX, which is like $30, but let's be real. It's not worth that much. It's not going to go for much in a PSA 10. I guess these packs are just rare, so people will sell these for a lot. But in other words, let's be real. If you buy one of these booster boxes, you're getting scammed. You're going to lose $100 plus easily. So, yeah. Now, one set I can think was worse than that set is this. The problem with this set was one of the biggest failures I'd ever seen. It was really early, good, amazing pull rate experimentation gone wrong. It had the most popular Pokemon, Mewtwo Dragonite. It had the Mewtwo alt arts. It had gold cards. It had rainbows for all these. And it still went south because it was massively overprinted. This set was a example that embodied the fact that just because a set has popular Pokemon in it doesn't mean it's good or it will be good. And this set just proves that. You can't just, I mean, there's no excuse aside from it being released in the middle of the summer with there being tons of packs, stocking shelves everywhere at Target and Walmart and wherever. And just now it's like the most valuable card you can pull is a $16 card. Oh, actually never mind. I take that back. A $20 card. Yeah, actually probably even more, but whatever. You get the point. You're guaranteed to lose money, and while you do have the Radiant Charizard, okay, yeah, and while you do have like the Radiant Charizard that's good, it too has dropped a ton, and has to compete with the Radiant Charizard that looks a tiny bit different but has the same exact moves in Crown Zenith. So, in other words, like, it's just a recipe for disaster, and I don't know how much you can get by getting these cards graded. Seems like people have just moved on from the set, and people only like it because you were guaranteed to get pulls when opened. Yet, and of course you didn't realize that they were worth 0. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time. Later. When many Pokemon sets are being released each year, there are bound to be ones that miss the mark. Today I'll show you the modern